Highly Nutritious and Calcium-Rich Weight Loss Oats Smoothie. Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Health Alert Remedies, where we're blending health and taste in today's video. We're diving into the world of a highly nutritious and calcium-rich weight loss oats smoothie. It's not just a drink, it's a tasty journey to a healthier you. So, grab your blender, and let's get started. First up, grab your favorite bowl, and let's start with 4 teaspoons of old-fashioned rolled oats. These are not only delicious but also provide a great source of fiber. Next, add a tablespoon of chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's sweeten things up naturally with 2 soft, de-seeded dates. They'll add a rich, caramel-like flavor. Don't forget a pinch of cinnamon powder for that warm and comforting taste. Milk and seeds. Time to introduce our liquid base. Pour in 200 milliliters of sesame milk or almond milk, your choice. These dairy alternatives are not only tasty but also loaded with nutrients. Now, let's sprinkle in a teaspoon of roasted flax seeds for a dose of healthy fats. And here comes the crunch. Half a teaspoon each of melon seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with vitamins and minerals. Fruit and raisins. Let's add some fruity goodness. Chop half an apple into small pieces and toss them into the bowl. Apples are a great source of antioxidants and fiber. And for that natural sweetness, throw in half a teaspoon each of raisins. These little guys are not only delicious but also provide a quick energy boost. Health benefits. Now, let's talk health benefits. This breakfast bowl is a holistic approach to kickstarting your day. The oats and chia seeds provide a sustained energy release, keeping you full and focused. The flax seeds contribute to heart health, while the variety of seeds offer a powerhouse of nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E. The apple adds a refreshing touch and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's a symphony of flavors and nutrients working together for your well-being. Before we dig in, don't forget to check the link below for some helpful products to enhance your wellness journey. Now, let's give it a good mix. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious breakfast bowl that's a treat for your taste buds and your health. I'd love to hear how your version turned out, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's your go-to healthy breakfast? Let's share some inspiration. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and click that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy,